Happy day guys, this is Pungavine Kalamegam from Inspiring Imprints. Today we are going to see the third problem on string, and this problem was asked in Cognizance Gen C Next. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch on lots of new programs and their solutions. Kodu is given a string and he thinks the letters that are repeated do have more power. He gathers only the repeating characters and keeps them as the most powerful to the least powerful manner. Now it is your turn to write a code that will help Kodu to do that. Note that only lowercase alphabets are accepted in the input. The input format is a string in a single line, and output format is a string made of only the repeated characters as sorted by their frequency, reducing if the lower ASCII value comes before. So for example, if Z is getting repeated 4 times and R is repeated 4 times after Z, the output should be RZ. Okay, so we'll check on the test cases. The test cases are, so the test cases, only 3 is different from the others. 3 has no repeating characters, so no output. The rest of the inputs have some characters or the other that is getting repeated. In this input, what first is done is we run through the entire number of characters and it is counting the instance. So 1 here, 2 here, and E as you go 3 and 4. So the frequency is getting counted. At the end, you will see that these characters are repeated these many times. Okay, so we would get an output according to the increasing frequency, though they are in different order in the input. Okay, so this is the output. Now let's see the algorithm. So get the string, yes, and pass through the string, count the occurrence of the characters, sort the frequency in descending order. If the frequency is greater than 4, then print the character according to the order of frequency. Repeat step 4 for all the repeating characters. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. What we are doing is, first we are getting the input and then we are creating a character frequency variable, which is a list of zeros. This is the list that's going to hold the frequency of each character. So what we are doing is, till the length of the input, we are counting the occurrences and placing in the frequency list. Next, we are creating another list that would sort the frequency, character frequency, and store it here. So with the position of character frequency and the value of frequency, we will get the character and print it. So this way, the lower ASCII will always be in the same order, right? Even if the frequency is same, the lower ASCII value will be picked first. And we also are resetting the frequency so that we avoid printing the same value. I have already explained the program. Now I am going to just execute this and show it for you. I have given an input which has 4 L's, 2 O's and 2 E's. So the output should be Leo. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So after getting the input, it just moves on to the get frequency, takes up the length, which is 11, and it has created a list which is having 26 zeros for each character, alphabet rather. So it goes and calculates the frequency. So after getting the frequency, For all the 11, it sorts, which is sort frequency. So you can see here there are only 3 characters which are repeated more than once. So only those characters would be printed. And if you see here in the line number 16, I have given break after count is equal to 1. So which means in out of this 26 elements, only till the index 2 it would be parsed. The rest of it will never be parsed. It is one of the efficient programming, okay, instead of parsing through everything. So here I am printing, L has been printed, E is printed, and then I am printing O, and next I just break and come out of the program. So this is a program that was asked in Cognizance Gen C Next. Hope it was useful, guys. Till I meet you in the next video.
Bye. See you.